the Additive Guru channel, and I'm going to show you real quick the Monoprice Mini Select version 2. Right out of the box, it's pretty much already assembled. You just have to attach this little bracket. Slips right in. You do get test filaments. The gantry and everything's covered. Good for small fingers. You still have some pinching areas though. It does have a heated bed. You have to use the Allen wrench to actually align the bed, lift it and raise it. When I got it out of the box, I did do a complete calibration check, but it was already calibrated and stayed calibrated through shipping. So I find that a good sign. So for $175, I believe, this is a good choice. The build size is 13 centimeters by 14 centimeters. It does come with an SD card. It's recessed fairly, so you have to press it in. It's really kind of hard to get it in there. It does not come with an SD card adapter though, so that might be something you might want to consider. This is one type of adapter that you can use if you wish to buy a separate adapter. This can stay plugged in to the USB port, to the mini SD card, and then you can use a large SD card. You could also use a large SD card that has a mini SD card insert. It does have a USB connector, but I did not use it with that. We typically just use the SD cards, you know, just in case the computer decides to do an update while it's running. It's a single head, and it is a bowden extruder, which means that it feeds from the top to this line here.
What are some possible troubleshooting issues with this printer?
We have not faced any yet, but I feel like it could clog easily, and as far as taking it apart, might be a little bit more difficult to troubleshoot things because it's so enclosed. It does come with Cura, its own version, and the instructions are really simple for setting that up. You do have to plug in all the dimensions of the printer, however they are provided with you in the book. It also offers Repetier Post instead of Cura if you prefer that, and the settings for Repetier Post. Thank you for watching our unboxing of the Monoprice Mini Select version 2.